Dear friends, in this lesson I will be showing you how to take multiple different angles of your architectural projects all the way to the production stage using only artificial intelligence without the need for any rendering software at all. Whoa. I will also explain how to maintain consistency throughout the entire process. Here I'll be introducing and explaining it through ArchiFruits AI again. Now, first of all, I'd like to show you the images I want to work with. Right now, these images are some angles I've selected, chosen from my project. In the visualizations I'll do here, I'll try to maintain the same effect throughout. I'm specifically talking about the lighting effect. Anyway, the AI will preserve our materials. It can already do that. Usually the problem is the lighting effect and the ambiance effect. To be honest, while developing this software, I developed the banana module here, specifically the advanced module for this purpose. Here, the advanced module has different modes at different prices. I'll try to show them to you. Actually, you can use the advanced module to render different angles in exactly the same lighting and atmosphere. For example, let's upload the first angle here and render it with the currently selected Soft 2K Pro. Now there are render models here. All the render models currently on the market are available here. Of course, it added some details. We can remove those later on. But this lighting effect is important. Let's take this and put it on the desktop like this. We'll examine them one by one. Now notice that it will do our other image with the same lighting effect. For example, we have our balcony image here. Let's render this one. Again, look, I'm not changing any settings. When I render with advanced mode, soft and 2K Pro, it will maintain the same lighting and features. For example, let's see what we have. As you can see, the interiors here are visualized very beautifully. Again, the landscaping in the garden and so on is very realistic. Everything looks good. We just have a clarity issue, as you can see. We already solved this using different methods anyway. I've even made a lesson about that. Yes, look, you see the same render. The same render effect, even though it's a different render. Look, they're both the same, as you can see, friends. So let's bring this and drop it on the desktop as well. You can very easily see the difference between the two. Look, before, after. You'd say it looks like it was rendered from the same scene. Now, let's look at our third render. Especially the consistency in the interiors and so on is very good, friends. It preserves the style well, the consistency of the style. Now we're taking a third render. Look, you see the same effect again? The inside of the windows and everything is visible. By the pool, there isn't enough furniture, but the furnishings could perhaps be increased. But overall, as you can see, the render is ready. So we've just solved 3 renders in a few minutes like this, as you can see. Well, this is 15 credits, but isn't there a cheaper one? There is, dear friends. For example, there's the balance model. It only consumes 1 credit. It renders very quickly. It maintains consistency, the current angle. Look, you can see, you can get a render very quickly. There might be some inconsistent, unnecessary movements here, but when you want to produce cheaper and faster solutions at first, I'm getting the same renders again, look. You can use the balance model. It's really cheap and, well, it's good enough to get the job done. You can use it in some cases, so what else is there? But we have a very important model here, and that's the Pro model. I don't believe this is available anywhere else right now, guys. This is a workflow that I developed entirely on my own. I'm using multiple rendering models in the background. I'm using the AI rendering model. The special thing about this is it creates a full 5K image for you, so you won't have any clarity issues with the image you get here anymore. Look, I'll show you the difference between these two. Now, normally we took this render with Nano Banana Pro. Look, when you zoom in, you can see the problems very clearly. Now, I want to compare this result when we render with the Banana Pro model, the Pro mode, especially by using Photoshop. Yes, dear friends. Now, I want to draw your attention to something. Look, the lighting effect is always the same. That's actually our topic in this lesson. Therefore, I can say that we've now very easily solved this lighting effect problem in AI renders. We did this with a few small changes in the background. Look, you can see the clarity. Now our material is the same too. No changes. It gave a pretty good result, as you can see, guys. Before, this is the render we took with Nano Banana using AI, and this is the render we took with the Pro model. You can see the difference between the two very easily. For this, of course, you pay 70 credits. Here, the plants and everything are a bit more realistic too. Now, if you say you don't want to pay 70 credits, then you can clean this up with dragon fruit. For example, let's create a 4K image. In fact, here, instead of 24 credits, 15 credits, 24 more credits. So, compared to the other render here, guys, there's almost a 50-50 price difference, even if it's a bit more. but at the same time you can, there's something called fine clarity here. I want to show that too. You can make it 4K much cheaper. Look, for example, let's download this again. Let's place it here like this, guys. Look, of course, its resolution is a bit lower because the size is 2K, 4K, 5K. Anyway, let's enlarge it a bit. Look, you can see it's getting a bit clearer. So you can see the difference from the original image very clearly. Look, the original image. The image we passed through Crystal Upscaler. There's no change, it just sharpens it. Look at this area. This is the original, this is the sharpening. This is 2K Pro. This is our Pro model. So you can see the difference like this. Then, if you wish, you can upscale it with fine clarity. Look, 6 credits. If you're not going to match your visuals, meaning you won't be layering different images underneath to process them, fine clarity here is much cheaper and works a lot faster. And it provides quite a good level of clarity. Look, let's see this now. Let's download it and take a look. And it's very cheap. I mean, guys, let's check it out. I mean, it's a cheap process and it works quite well in my opinion. That's why I added this to the system. Look, I think it works beautifully. There's a bit of stretching going on. It's having a bit of an issue because of that. Look, I think it works quite well, guys. You can sharpen images very cheaply this way. I mean, all of these are in the system. You just need to know about them, of course.